Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Threads application. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to open your Threads on Instagram application. This is what it looks like. Now go to your profile, and then once you're here on your profile, you have to tap this edit profile here. So once you tap edit profile, please click your picture. Now, once you click your picture, you will have options like new profile picture, import from Instagram, or remove current picture. Go to new profile and then select that photo that you wanted to make as your profile pic. You can take or capture a photo or you can import from your gallery. After that, you just have to tap this arrow here to look or select a filter or edit. And then after that, click the arrow again, and this is what it looks like. Tap done. Now you have changed your profile picture. Tap done and then refresh, and that's it. That's how easy it is to change your profile picture on Threads application. You can change your picture anytime. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.